All right, much better. Okay, so let's go. So the main thing we're doing for today is oral, all right? But before that, we have two more sections. First one is editing, and the second one is comprehension, and last one is oral. All right, we'll focus on that. But we'll go through the answers first. So first, editing. Everyone got the first question correct. I just need Rena's answer. Rena, how do you spell fortune? As in fortune cookie, fortune. Oh, Jerusha got disconnected too. Ah, that's very close, Rena. But you need an E behind, all right? So that's a silent E behind. So the way we spell fortune is like this, Fortune. So you missed out the E. All right, what a shame. Um, King Midas was a king of great fortune and wealth who ruled over his land with an air of carelessness. He lived a life of luxury. Now, luxury over here means, everything is expensive. He has expensive furniture and stuff around him and all that. So luxury, how do you spell luxury, Rina? Luxury. I'll give you a little clue. We begin with L, U, X. That's lux for you. How do you spell luxury? Yes, Josiah, you're correct, but you can't help Rina. Yes, Rina is absolutely right. Oh, hold on. Luxury. Fantastic. Okay, so everyone got this right. Next, and spent his days counting his golden coins. One day, the Greek god of wind and parties, it's not wind, by the way. It's not Greek god of wind. It's Greek god of wind, W-I-N-D. All right. Wind and parties, Dionysus, decided to grant King Midas a wish. Midas foolishly wished for everything he touched to turn to gold. So over here, I need Brian, Dania, and Rena to give me the spelling of foolishly. All right, I'll help you a bit by spelling fool here for you. How do you change it to foolishly? Mm-hmm. Brian, that's incorrect. Unfortunately, Dania, that's correct. Okay, so waiting for Rena. Oh, Rena, I already gave you the starting spelling, but you still spelled the fool like that. But it's okay. Foolishly is spelled like so. Foolishly. Okay? Foolishly. So Brian, for your answer, you had an additional I over there that was not needed. Okay? You spelled it as foolishly. It became shily behind. Alright? Upon hearing this, Dionysus warned the king that there would be consequences. However, Midas refused to listen. So Dionysus agreed and granted Midas his wish. All right, granted over here. How do you spell granted? Um, I need the answer from Dania and Rina. Granted. I'll just tell you the spelling behind is T-E-D. But how do you spell grants? Very good, Dania. Dania is correct. Granted. So it's the same sound as what the word over the wrong arrow there is, Dania. So you can look at the arrow itself. So the arrow itself either will spell the word so that it will sound the same like the proper word, or the spelling is actually the same, but they added some letters in it. So that's how you can tell what the real spelling is. It's either they spell it like how it sounds, or they spell it correctly, but they add a few more letters inside to confuse you. So those are the two ways that they create errors. How about Rina? How do you spell granted? Yes, Rina, you are correct. Granted, G-R-A-N. So sorry, no more T, because I already put the T over there. Right, that's the spelling. Granted, Granted. Let me just erase that and put it closer. Okay, next. So Rina gets this one right as well. Oops. Okay, the next day, Midas woke up eager, right? Eager, which means you are very excited to do something. You're very eager to do something. This is not the bird eager, okay, or eagle, like what they call it. So over here, Brian, Dania, Yutaka, and Rina. How do you spell eager? Like someone is very eager. I'll give you the spelling at the end as a clue. The spelling at the end is G-E-R. Okay, Brian is correct. Fantastic. How about Dania, Yutaka, and Rina? Yutaka is correct. Very good. Dania is correct. Very good. Okay. How about Rina? Eager. You just need to add two more letters in front. Yes, Rina, you are correct. Eager is E-A-G-E-R. Okay, good. Next, he touched the table next to him and it instantly turned to gold. Midas was overjoyed and ran to tell his daughter the good news. So over here, I need the spelling of overjoyed from Dania and Rina, keeping in mind that joyed behind, right, is J-O-Y-E-D. How do you spell overjoyed? Yes, Dania, you're correct. How about Rina? How do you spell overjoyed? Midas was overjoyed. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Yes, Rina is correct. She spelled overjoyed correctly. So it's Overjoyed, right? As soon as he saw her, he threw his arms around her in an embrace. That's wrong, right? It's supposed to be embrace. Like you embrace someone, you hug someone, okay? For this one, Brian, spell it for me. Rina, spell it for me as well. Right? Embrace. In an embrace, like in a hug. All right. I'll just spell the beginning two letters for you. Just as E-M. E-M-B, maybe. That's all. Embrace. Brian is correct. Excellent. How about Rina? How do you spell embrace? Embrace as in to hug someone. You embrace the person. That's unfortunately wrong, Rina. Embrace is spelled like this. E-M-B-R-A-C-E. Embrace. Okay. All right. But in his hurry, he forgot about his new ability and his touch turned his daughter into a golden statue. Statue as in the thing that can't move, a statue. So how do you spell statue? Rina. Just Rina. All right. The front three letters are S-T-A. How do you spell statue? Very good, Rina. Okay, S-T-A-T-U-E, right? A statue. Good. Regretting his wish, Midas prayed to Dionysus to revert his wish. Prayed. All right. How do you spell prayed? Raha and Rina. Raha, you spell it as played. How can you played to Dionysus? Played the piano? It's prayed. How do you spell prayed? Let me say, oh, Lord Dionysus, please help me. Okay, Rina is correct for prayed. How about Raha? Yes, Raha is correct. Raha is prayed. Raha, why do you call yourself Poo Poo? Or did someone change your name for you? Maybe your younger sibling or something very naughty. Okay, next. Regretting his wish. Okay, so this part, yeah. Prayed, it's spelled prayed, P-R-A-Y-E-D. Next part is the word nearby. Right, so he told Midas to go and wash his hands in the nearby river. So nearby, how do you spell that? Rina, that's your nickname, really? How did you get that nickname? My goodness. Poo poo means like toilet crap. Why would someone call you like crap? Yes, Rina, that's correct. Nearby. All right, his hands in the nearby, Nearby, in the nearby river. Okay, next. Midas quickly did as he was told, and when he returned to his palace, okay, how do you spell palace? Dania, Victoria, and Rina. Dania, Victoria, and Rina. How do you spell palace? Like the princess and the prince lives in a palace, kind of palace. Yes, Dania is correct with the spelling of palace. How about Victoria? How do you spell palace? And Rina, how do you spell palace? 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh, that's incorrect, Rina. 6, 5, 4, 3. Yes, Victoria is correct. Okay, the spelling of palace is Palace. Palace, right? His daughter was back to normal. How do you spell normal, Rina? Just Rina. How do you spell normal? Oh, so that's how you made the mistake, Raha Poo Poo. Okay, Rina, how do you spell normal? 10, 9, 8, 7. Ooh, so close. You forgot the R, Rina. Normal, normal. Okay, let me total your points. You're supposed to get a total of 12 for this if you got everything correct. Okay, let's see. First up, we have Brian. Brian had 3 mistakes. He corrected 2, so Brian has 11 points. 5, 10, 11. Next, we have Dania. Dania had 5 mistakes and she corrected all 5. That's fantastic. That's 12 points to Dania. Then we have Emma, Jairus, Jerusha, and Josiah. It seems like everyone who starts with J has full marks today for some reason, except for Emma, unless she changes her name to Gemma. Then she'll be a J as well. But anyway, all the J's have full marks today. All right, so Gemma, 5, 10, 12. Jairus, 5, 10, 12. Jerusha, 5, 10, 12. And of course, Josiah, 5, 10, 12. And because all 4 of you had full marks and you had to wait, you get patient marks, right? Thank you for being patient, guys. That's 2 points for being patient. Okay, next we have Victoria, who had 1 mistake, and Victoria, corrected it. So Victoria gets 12.